Welcome back, guys. Amar here from Magic Coding, and in this video, as we said in the previous one, we are gonna make a trampoline. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is we need that bump material, objects. Let's go to FBX, objects, and find the bump. And as for the bump, first of all, we're gonna rotate it by 90 degrees. So it's actually same as for our platform. Then what are we gonna do is we are gonna scale it down to about 0.37 by 0.37 by 0.37. So as I said before, it can now actually fit our platform. And we're gonna change the element to green and take it the last green we have over here, which will make it yellow. And after that, we can rename it to trampoline, like this. Add a component, add a box collider to it, and just scale it down a bit so it's not on the edges, so we can actually see our player kind of stepping onto it. And once he does, bam, he's gonna go up. We're gonna tag our trampoline with the trampoline tag, like this, bam, bam. And the last thing we need to do is we need to add helix onto it. So just add it as a child, reset its position, make it a bit down, like this. So it's kind of sticking onto it. And we will just tag it with the green tag, not the mesh, but the element. And it's not a tag, but it's element green. And bam, they're matching. And now we have our trampoline tag that will work. So let me first of all position it. So once we go up here, bam, bam, bam. What I will usually do for my levels, not always, but I think I did it in the levels 4 and 5, is I removed or just made this like tinier, like this, duplicate this one, move it out here, make it the same way, and like add a little space and duplicate, and add that tiny space over here. So like it looks like our trampoline is kind of standing onto something. It's not like a weird bump. You will see that in the level 4 and 5, I guess, but for now, because we're just testing it, it's not really important how it's gonna look, but it's important that it works. So after we're done with that, we're gonna go to prefabs. I'm gonna create a level folder, and I'm gonna put all of my level needs inside of the level folder, where I'm gonna stick my trampoline original prefab so we can use it later on. After that, what do we need to do is we need to go back to the player. So runners, player, and open up player controller. And here we're gonna have a boolean that we're gonna call super jump. And by default it is false, but if it's true, so if it will be inside of our character controller is grounded. If it's true, or actually it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be, but never mind. I'm just gonna say if super jump is true, we're gonna say super jump equals to false, and we're gonna say vertical velocity equals to jump force, and then we're gonna multiply by 1.75. So this is almost as a double jump. So that will be the height for it. And we're gonna say anim.set trigger. We're gonna set trigger to be jump, and add the semicolon. And I might as well leave it inside of the is grounded, like this. And then all we have to do is gonna go to the on collider hit if we are grounded, and if we tag if hit dot collider dot tag equals to our trampoline, so trampoline, and our character controller dot is grounded, then we're gonna say super jump equals to true. Why is this and character controller is grounded important? Because we want the super jump to happen only once, and if we don't have ungrounded, he can it can happen that he will touch the trampoline multiple times on the way. And we're gonna do the exact same thing on the AI controller. So bam, 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 where is it? Here we're gonna say it, boom, 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 like this. if it's grounded, and if super jump equals to true. We're gonna go back to player controller. Let me see after that. But actually we're checking it here. So for our player it's not that important to add it, but for the enemy or for the AI it's important to add. For the player you can leave it or put it here, because right now here you're checking if it's not grounded, and else statement means if it's grounded then this can happen. But after we're done with that, we will copy the rest. So if super jump is true, we're gonna make super jump. So about here maybe, bam bam bam, boom. Or we can put it, if we want it to be as same as for our player, we're gonna check if it's grounded. This means if it's grounded, and the last thing we need to add is the super jump. So AI controller, comma, super jump, and that will be it. Now let's go back to Unity and click start to test things out. If I click play, we should see that, come on, 3, 2, 1, go, bam, 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 we start running this, and if we hit the, it's not working. Even if we hit it, it's not working for some reason. Let me check. It's touching, it's trampoline, but nothing is happening. So trampoline, maybe I misspelled it here. That can be a thing. Paste, yep, I misspelled it. That is why hard coding sucks, so please make sure you do it correctly. So now let me try one more time. Hopefully it will work, because the script is looking alright, and the only thing I can think of as a problem will be my misspelling, and yep, we have our misspelling as a problem. And now it's working, but we're jumping 2 times. So 2 times in a row we're jumping. Let me check one more time for that weird bug. So bam, we jump 1, and then as soon as we land, we jump another time. Now what's the problem? I'm guessing the problem is when we hit the trampoline multiple times. So how to fix that? But to fix it, we have to know what is the actual problem. What I'm guessing is this over here. So I'm gonna actually print this out to see how many times are we saying that our jump is true. Or I'm not gonna print it here. What actually I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print inside of my update function. So here I'm gonna print my super jump to know when it's true and when it's false. So now if I click play, I'm gonna collapse it, and let's see, it's false. And then once we hit this, what will happen? It's false, 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 then it's true, and all the time we're in the air it's true until we hit again, and then it's false back. So that is the problem, that it's true while we're in the air. And what's causing that problem? It's really simple. It's because we're only checking this if it's grounded. So I'm gonna actually remove it from here, and now it's gonna work. So let's go back, not to the video, but where is my thing? Boom, here. Not this one over here. Click play and let's start. So right now we're gonna check, even if we are not grounded, if our super jump is false, is true, then we're gonna remove it, and then we can see now it really works. But I have only changed it for my player, and my bots are double jumping. So let's check that one more time. So bam, if I click, it's true. But right now we have 2 animations. Now that is a bug. We can say that that's a bug, but you can actually leave that bug to be there, because having a double jump and then having the 2 flips while you're at the super jump, not double jump, it's kind of cool. You can leave it as that. But if you want to fix it, you're just gonna take if anim dot get current state info 0 dot name is name, not name, and we're gonna say jump. If it's not jump, then we're gonna say jump, but if it's jump, we're not gonna jump one more time, and just leave it at here, and this should fix our problem. So let's try that one more time to see if our trampoline is done or not. So if I click play, I can jump, 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 and then bam, one time and only one time in the air. But as I said, you can leave it, it's not big of a deal because you're having that much time, so it's able to do 2 flips in a row. But yeah guys, that will be it for this video. Hope you like it. The only thing last I want to mention is you can go now to the scenes, levels, level 3, save it. Where is level 4 maybe? Okay, where is my okay, here you have the set up for it. So on level 4 you're gonna put here a trampoline. On level 3 you're gonna put our trampoline. Where is it? Come on, over here, somewhere around here. I don't exactly remember, but somewhere around here we're gonna put it so you can actually jump onto this. As for the level 5, you have these bumps here and here where you can put your trampoline, and everything else it's already done. So yeah guys, that will be it for this video. Hope you like it, and I will see you in the next one.